Hi, my friend. This is the celery tofu salad I ate for 3 days, straight as a light reset meal. Start by cutting the celery into small bite-sized pieces. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add a pinch of salt and oil. Blanch the celery for about 1 minute to keep it crisp and vibrant. Then remove and set aside. Cut the tofu into cubes about the same size as the celery. Blanch the tofu for 30 to 45 seconds to remove the raw bean taste. If you are using soft tofu, 30 seconds is enough. For firmer tofu, around 45 seconds works better. Transfer everything into a bowl. Add soy sauce, vinegar, a drizzle of sesame oil, and some black pepper. Finish with roasted sesame seeds. Mix everything well. Thanks for cooking with me. If you enjoy quick, high-protein, healthy meals, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.